This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels. Raise the car using a jack, position axle stands, lower the vehicle onto the stands and remove the jack. Unscrew the 3 fixings at the front of the engine under tray. Then remove the 2 fixings at the rear of the under tray. Unclip the tray at the rear and slide it rearward to disengage it from the front. Remove the tray from under the vehicle. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Slide the safety catch to release the bonnet. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet stay from its clip. Engage the bonnet stay to prop the bonnet. Lift and pull the engine cover to remove it from the vehicle. Undo the clamp and release the trunking. Disconnect the wiring plug. Then disconnect the vacuum hose. Release the pressure sensor from the mounting bracket. Release the duct from the front panel and pull the air cleaner upwards to remove it from the vehicle. Position a drain tray under the vehicle, beneath the drain plug. Slacken the oil filler cap. Slacken the drain plug about half a turn, then remove the plug completely. If possible, try to keep the plug pressed into the sump while unscrewing it by hand the last couple of turns. Recover the sealing ring from the drain plug. After all the oil has drained, wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag and fit a new sealing washer. Clean the area around the drain plug opening and refit the plug. Tighten the drain plug. The filter element is contained within a filter cover. Using a 27mm socket or spanner, slacken the filter cover from above, then pull the filter element from the filter housing. Using a cloth, wipe the filter housing clean. Remove the old filter from the cap, then recover the O-ring seal from the cover. Clean the cover using a cloth. Fit a new O-ring to the filter cover and lubricate it with engine oil. Now lubricate the O-ring on the new oil filter. Then insert the new filter element into the housing, ensuring that the element locating peg engages correctly with the corresponding hole in the housing. Then refit the filter or cover to the housing and tighten. Position the tray under the vehicle. Raise the tray into position. Engage the tray at the front, then clip it into position at the rear. Secure the tray in position by refitting the offside, centre and near side front fixings, followed by the offside and near side rear fixings. Raise the vehicle using a jack, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Remove the dipstick Unscrew the oil filler cap and insert a funnel to help reduce spillage. Fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Adding another litre of oil will bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. Recheck the oil level, topping up if necessary. Remove the funnel. Refit the filler cap and insert the dipstick. Remove the drain tray from under the vehicle. Install the air cleaner into position, noting the position of its mount points. Then connect the duct at the front. Attach the pressure sensor bracket to the air cleaner casing and secure it in place using the screw. Reconnect the vacuum hose. Then reconnect the wiring plug. Then reconnect the duct and tighten the clamp. Note the location of the cover fixing pegs. Refit the cover securely in position on the engine. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary.